Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANAB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. No, I don't mean to state the obvious, but today the price got absolutely crushed. This all happened on big volume, but because there was such a big gap down from a presentation standpoint, this is a very tricky chart to look. So what I'm going to do is just slide the chart over here. And yeah, there's going to be a bunch of black area on the right of the screen, but it'll just make the candles much easier to see. So there we go. So we'll just have to make do with the big gap down. But yeah, quite the eventful day. And the one level that going into tomorrow that really is quite interesting is there at the round number of $10. Now, before anything else, I don't want to come across like this $10 discovery is some sort of secret thing and I have some sort of great skill. No, I assure you that anybody that uses charts and understands charts has taken notice of $10 and is wondering the same thing that we'll talk about. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And the big thing going forward is, okay, well, right there, the price hit $10 and got a very impressive bounce. Right here, final 30 minutes, once again hit $10 and started a bounce. So the question going forward now becomes, hey, is history going to repeat itself? Is there going to be some sort of bigger bounce to the upside? Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because last time it was at 10 and had a great bounce does not mean that for sure this time it's going to happen. My point is it's at least a valid and rational thought to have. Case in point, let's say the price has never bounced off 10, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be a good solid bounce. You'd be totally justified to say, based on what? It's never happened before. But in this case, it actually has. So again, does that mean it's guaranteed to happen? No. Does that mean it's a valid and rational thought to have? Absolutely. So if this bounce continues, let's talk about some of these areas of resistance. First key level of resistance, if this bounce is going to continue, to keep an eye on right up there at $10.40. If the price can get up through $10.40, next key battleground after that, right up there around $10.65. So $10.40, $10.65, two of the near-term levels. If the price can start to get up above those, then yeah, this chart starts to take a much more interesting shape. And, there could very well be that much more of a bigger move to the upside. However, one step at a time, let's first see if the price can get above these areas of resistance. Real quick before you go, I'm not going to give you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident you would find this live web class that I've put together beneficial. So if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, go to claytrader.com/live or just see the link down in the description area. It truly is live. There's the question and answers at the end. It's very interactive. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.